The ground trembles as the blade forces deep into the stubborn tree stump. In just a few seconds, the tough stump is brought down by the sheer power of heavy machinery. Oh no. As the tractor was crossing the bridge, it suddenly split in half, leaving the machine stuck and hanging precariously. But with its powerful engine, it slowly pushed forward and made it safely across to the other side. The Kirovets K700 proves its power. The K700 tractor, equipped with a 300 horsepower engine, four-wheel drive, and an articulated joint system, delivers incredible performance. It channels over 50,000 N of pulling force to rip massive tree stumps out of hardened ground. Combined with its nearly 1-2 ton weight, the machine grips the surface firmly and tears out deeply rooted systems that have been embedded for years. The wheels spin, and the ground sinks even deeper. The Sonalika Di50RX4WD, powered by a 50 horsepower engine, attempts to cross a sandy area, but the wheels dig deeper into the soft surface. The more it tries to move, the more it gets stuck, fortunately. Support arrives from another similar tractor. Give this machine some extra power by commenting 1. The Hitachi excavator operates in a shallow canal, tasked with removing layers of soil and rock from the bottom. A 200 horsepower engine powers a high-pressure hydraulic system, controlling the boom and bucket with strong digging force, capable of lifting hundreds of kilograms of material in each scoop. The arm moves in precise cycles, repeated continuously to maintain efficiency and keep the water flow clear and unobstructed. Massive and overwhelming, the heavy haul truck transports giant machines down a steep mountain pass. Equipped with a powerful engine, the tractor unit pulls up to 4 large machines behind it, all secured tightly with heavy chains. Taking up the entire road, creating an extremely dangerous situation. Stranded for 3 days and 3 nights on a remote mountain road, rescue finally arrives. A heavy truck slipped off the edge of the road and couldn't climb back up. After days of being stuck, it is finally rescued with the help of a bulldozer and another truck. Like a powerful partner, the bulldozer pushes from behind while the truck secures a cable to the front. Perfect coordination brings results. After many hours, the trapped truck is finally freed.
Ayo terus, terus, maju, 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 maju. Terus, terus, tahan, terus.
Next up is the tractor with flail mower, designed specifically for clearing grass and reclaiming land. A 120 HP engine transfers power through the PTO shaft at 540 revolutions per minute, driving a cutting drum fitted with dozens of high-speed rotating flail blades. It cuts and shreds dense grass, thick brush, and plant debris across large areas. At the same time, it disperses the shredded material as an organic mulch layer, helping retain moisture and improve soil quality. Subscribe now so you don't miss the most powerful machines and impressive technologies every day.
Come on, get out of here. Throw rocks down and sit there and spit.
The snow groomer operates continuously for many hours. Weighing over 10 tons and powered by a 500 HP diesel engine, it moves on wide tracks for maximum stability on snow. At the front, a blade levels the surface, while at the rear, a tiller and compactor system works non-stop. It crushes hardened snow into fine particles, then compresses it into a smooth, even surface. Stuck deep in the mud, the Mahindra 475 Di makes a heavy and clumsy escape attempt. Its wheels are trapped in the mud, forcing it to break free on its own. The front lifts and shakes violently like a wild beast struggling to escape, yet it manages to do it after a short moment. The machine finally pulls itself out of the muddy pit. I'm truly stunned by its sheer massive size. Standing tall in the mining site, it weighs around 310 tons and is powered by an engine delivering over 1,000 horsepower. It effortlessly scoops up thick layers of coal and loads them onto dump trucks in just a few short cycles. Thick smoke pours out of the engine, as if it's pushing to its absolute limit, trying to break free from the muddy trap. Even with a fairly powerful engine, the slippery mud makes it impossible for the machine to climb out. In the end, an excavator has to be brought in to assist. Show some support for these machines by commenting 1. Let's watch this machine's skillful hay transport in action. Equipped with a powerful engine, it carries up to 5 tons of hay across the field. Using its full capability, it secures the rope to the hay, then ties it to the wheel to make it easier to pull the hay up onto the trailer. Can you believe a snowplow cleared through 20 kilometers of thick snow? It worked for hours, powered by a 500 HP engine, with a 1 4-foot blade pushing snow layers up to 50 centimeters thick to both sides. Opening roads and temperatures dropping below -20 degrees Celsius, with extremely limited visibility. Uprooting a walnut tree in an unusual way. A 110 horsepower tractor with a backhoe, equipped with a hydraulic arm reaching nearly 4.5 meters, violently shakes the tree, causing it to quickly be uprooted and collapse. Once again, a professional tree uprooting performance by the Cat 963. The front blade, combined with powerful pushing force, allows it to dig deep into the base, lifting and breaking the root structure. Effortlessly pushing tall trees down in an instant. Thanks for watching until the end. Subscribe now so you don't miss the most powerful machines and impressive technologies every day.